Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. So, heading home from school right now. My buddy Anthony's coming over. He has an S197 as well, but his base V6 model, he has like an exhaust, I think. But besides that, it's pretty much bone stock. And my boy got some BC coilovers. I'm gonna help him install them. Now that I know how to work on these cars better, give a little better instruction on how to install coilovers on your Mustang. There is? Aw. Let me hear it. It sounds good. It's super smooth. Oh, we didn't get to take a before picture. Let's just take a picture of it drooping like this and I'll Photoshop it. Make it look even more monster truck. Yeah, it looks like a monster truck right now. Perfect. So I convinced this guy to go BC. This guy over here was trying to go SR Performance, but we got him right. Do I not have an 18? I have every size but an 18. It goes 16, 17, 19, 20. That was on there. Dude, we're speed running this coilover install. We're gonna be done soon. And we can race. I used all the 91 in my tank so I can fuel up with 93, and then you'll be done. You'll be done for once I get on my race fuel. Alright, now the strut is supported. We can get this off. Old yucky strut coming out. Yank that thing out of there. Alright, we're halfway done already. Look at you balling with BCs now. Look at this. The preload should already be set on these factory. This is a way higher spring rate than this, so this will compress a lot more on droop. So this is probably gonna be higher ride height or similar to this, even though the strut is a lot smaller. This is your spring rate like preload. So what it's doing is it's preloading the spring so it doesn't bounce around, and this collar is your ride height adjustment. You would unlock this, and then this whole bottom spins freely from this to make the whole thing longer or shorter. And they also are directional. I made this mistake when I installed mine. I installed the fronts in different ways. I'm pretty sure the notch goes towards the inside of the car. Damn. Alright. End link is out. The way these work is the top hat free spins. You can either have the adjustment knobs going perpendicular to the line of your car, and that will give you more camber, or if you're good with camber, you can leave the top hat like this, parallel with your car, and that will give you caster, which slides the top hat back and forth. It makes the car drive different, but look pretty much the same. There it goes. I don't understand, some Mustangs have camber adjustment bolts, but all of the ones I've seen are regular. Here we go down a tiny bit. Alright, wait. Alright, back up. Up slowly. Up. Almost. Alright, stop. Perfect. There.
Do you need any Loctite or?
No, I avoid Loctite unless it's on a rotating component of the car. Okay. Because you'll probably need, if you ever work on your car again, you'll need to undo these. And Loctite, it just makes everything worse, I feel like. But on like clutches or something, yeah, definitely Loctite. All right, this side is pretty much done. We're gonna do the other side because the sway bar is leveraging because this end link is shorter, this end link is holding the sway bar low, and the sway bar has too much preload on this side, so we can't finish the side till this side's done. Fronts are pretty much done. I'm gonna start unboxing the rears. The rears are going to be different. They're a divorced coilover setup rather than a shock on body coilover type like the fronts. So what it means is the springs are in their own separate bucket, independent from Thank you. The way we adjust height on here is different. The springs are gonna be in the middle, shocks are gonna be in the edges, and the perch is what adjusts the height. Mine, I removed these collars, and that's how low it is.
Is it all the way?
Mine is passed all the way down. But what I recommend for you is just drop all of these all the way down.
Yeah. Because the stock, I can fit my entire hand.
Oh, really? Once your Mustang is in hovercraft mode and has no wheels, you can support the diff because we're gonna have to drop the rear end. Dude, where's your bushing? You have no bump stop left. It's supposed to be up here. It's a rubber bushing that goes up to like here.
So how bad is that?
It's not bad. I took mine out because it keeps you from going low. I don't even have this, but yours is, I unbolted mine, but yours has just crumbled. I'm unbolting the shocks, so there's gonna be nothing supporting the axle. When we lower the jack, the whole rear end is gonna lower out and we can get the shocks out. Oh. Yeah, these are stock. Stock is a rock. Hot spring, hot spring. It's not Ford because it would have FOMOCO on it if it was. 33198 is the part number. Oh yeah, dude, holy crap. You should not be able to do this. These are smoked. These are beyond smoked, dude, look at this. What you have to do for preload is you have to get the springs touching the chassis. So the springs are loose right now, and we have to raise it until the springs have tension on them, and then we raise it 5 millimeters above that, and then we set the shock height so it fits into here, so that'll be 5 millimeters of preload. All right, coilovers all installed. That was probably about an hour and a half. That wasn't bad. You want to throw some cool wheels on it now? Do you want to pick from the pop tire department and see what looks cool on here? I think the CR Lies on the right, those would look the best on the front. Those are the perfect spec for the fronts. But dude, this one is smoked. This one is not roadworthy. This one. Oh shit, there's cords. It'll look sick parked. Dude, I don't know if these fit. I can't get the lug nuts in. World's biggest nuts.
Yep, and I have them.
Yeah, we gotta go down to the front. Front is too high. I'm about to put the bronze on my car. I love the bronze. I love LeBron. Oh yeah. Does it feel lower? You like it? Let's just go around the block in yours. I want to feel it to make sure everything feels normal. And then we'll come back and get mine for our toge race. Ugh. Damn, boy, you sit low in here.
I changed it recently. I did have it.
I can barely reach the pedals. I want to feel it out to make sure there's like no weird clunks or suspension binding going on.
Yeah.
And also because I like driving other people's cars. That drive?
It stops. I drive. So you can,
Mm-hmm.
you know, whip it into the...
So you can whip your shifter around.
Yeah.
Almost stalled it. Oh yeah, it feels nice. A little loose in the front. We could probably turn the front dampening up. I like that. That's what I used to do that all the time on my mom's Mercedes.
Yeah. That scares me too much, so I don't do it often.
Oh, like the manual shifting?
Yeah. Not like downshifting. But
Oh, mm-hmm. Oh, it feels nice. I definitely feel the sidewall on your tire flexing. You need a smaller sidewall tire, but the suspension feels solid.
Yeah.
Like I feel the suspension tight and then a loose tire underneath it. Hey, you got cams in this thing, son? It's got a rumble. Oh, yours definitely settled. It looked lower. Give you the hit. Go. You go and I'll chase. All right. Go when you're ready. Snipped them. A little bit. Do you want to do another one? I'll give you a bigger hit if you want to do another one. All right, go when you're ready. He threw the hazards on me. He got me on that one. I slept. Oh no! My house is infected with another S13. A new customer car is here.
Transition into